American Junior High School Mathematics Examination, 1986. Number 1. In July 1861, 336 inches of rain fell in Cherrapunji, India. What was the average rainfall in inches per hour during that month? Average rainfall per hour during that month equals the total rainfall, that's the 366 inch, divided the hours in the July. July is the 31 days. 1 day, that's the 24 hour. So average equals 366 over 31 times 24. So the answer is the A. Number 2, which of the following number has the largest reciprocal? For the fraction A over B, reciprocal is the B over A. So the A reciprocal 1 over 3. Reciprocal is the 3. B, 2 over 5. Reciprocal is the 5 over 2. And for the integer, any integer, A, the reciprocal is 1 over A. So C reciprocal, that's the 1 over 1. That's the 1. D reciprocal, 1 over 5. E reciprocal is the 1 over 1986. So the largest reciprocal is the 1 over 3. So the answer is A. Number 3, the smallest sum one could get by adding 3 different numbers from the set 7, 25, -1, 12, -3 is. Smallest sum, we use the smallest number. The 3 smallest number is the -3, smallest, -1, and the 7. So the sum is -3 plus -1 plus the 7. That's the 3. So the answer is C. Number 4, the product 1.8 times 40.3 plus 0.07 is closest to. So 1.8 times 40.3 plus 0.07 equals to the 40.37. So 40.37 rounded to the 1.8 times the 40 equal to, so 72. That's the close to the C, 74. Number 5, a contest began at noon one day and ended 1,000 minutes later. At what time did the contest end? Contest lasted the 1,000 minutes. So convert the minutes to the hours. We need divided by 60. So divided by 60, cancel 10. That's equal to the 16 and 6 and 4 over 6 equals 16 and 4 over 6 hour. That's the 16 hour. 4 over 6 hour times 60. That's the 40 minutes. So The contest lasted 16 hours and 40 minutes. From the noon till the midnight, that's the 12 hours. 16 hour minus 12, that's the 4 hour and 40 minutes left. That means the time is the 4:40 a.m. That's the answer D. Number 6, 2 over 1 minus 2 over 3 equals 2. 2 over 1 over 3 equal to 2 times 3 over 1. That's the 6. So the answer is E. Number 7. How many whole numbers are between root 8 and root 80? Root 8 less than the root 9. That's the 3. Smallest integer between the root 8 and the root 80 is the 3. So root 64 less than the square root 80. But square root 80 less than the square root 81. 81 equals 9. So the number must less than that. So the number is from the 3 to 8. Number of number, use the 8 minus 3 plus 1. That's the 6. So the answer is B. Number 8. In the product shown, B is a digit. The value of the B is B2 times 7B equal to 6,396. 2 times B, the B can only be the 3 and the 8. Product can get the 6. The 3 too small because the 30 times 70, that's the 2100, is the too small. They must be the B. So B, that's the 82 times 78, roughly that's the 80. That's around the 64, the 100. So they exactly 6396. So the B must be the 8. The answer E. Number 9, using only the paths and the directions shown, how many different routes are there from M to N? From M to B, that's the one way. From the M to A, that's the two way. One is directly from the M to A. Another is from the M to B, then to A. So that's the two way. From the A to D, just the two way. And to the C, we from the A directly to C, that's the two way. From the D to C, another two way. And from the B to C, still have the one way. Total, that's the 2 plus 2 plus 1, 5. To M, B to 1 is the one way. C to M, that's the 5 way. Total 5 plus 1, 6 way from M to N. The answer is E. Number 10. A picture 3 feet across is hung in the center of a wall that is the 19 feet wide. How many feet from end of the wall is the nearest edge of the picture? So that's the wall from the one side to another side. That's the 19 feet. and the picture hang in the middle. So hang in the middle. The picture is the 3 feet wide, and they ask the wall to the nearest the edge of the picture. So for the wall, the center 19 feet wide, the center is the 9.5 feet. And for the picture, 3 feet, the center to the edge, so this part, is the 1.5 feet. The distance from the wall to the edge of the picture is the 9.5, that's the center of the wall, minus the half the picture because the hang in the center. So that's the 1.5 equal to 8 feet. So the answer is B. Number 11. If the A star B means the A plus B over 2, then the 3 star 5, then star 8 equal to 3 plus the 5 over 2, then star 8. 3 plus 5, that's the 8, over 2, that's the 4. 4 star 8, that's the 4 plus 8 over 2, that's the 6. Therefore, the answer is A. Number 12. The table to the right displays the grade distribution of the 30 students in the mathematics class on the last 2 tests. For example, exactly 1 student received a D on test 1 and a C on test 2. What percent of the students received the same grade on both the tests? Percentage, that's the expected overall. Expected, that's the students receive the same grade on both tests. So that's all the number on the diagonal here. So that's the 2 plus the 4 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0. The total number of the student, that's the 30. That's equal to 12 over 30. Cancel 3, that's the 4. Cancel 3, that's the 10. That's the 40%. So the answer is D. Number 13. The perimeter of the polygon shown is. Now we extended the horizontal line to here. Also extended the vertical line to here. Now we have the rectangle. So if I label this 4 point A, B, C, D, now we can tell that's the AB equals CD and AD equals BC. So the perimeter of the polygon now equal to the perimeter of the rectangle. So the perimeter of the polygon is same as the rectangle, equals 2 times 6 plus 8. That's the 28. So the answer is C. Number 14. If A greater or equal to 200, less or equal to 400, and B greater or equal to the 600, less or equal to 1200, then the largest value of the quotient B over A. So the B over A largest quotient, the largest B is 1200. Smallest A, that's the 200. 1200 over 200 gave us largest value of the B over A. Cancel 2 0, cancel 2, that's the 6. So the answer is D. Number 15. Sale prices at the Ajax outlet store are 50% below original price. On Saturday, an additional discount of 20% of the sale price is given. What is the Saturday price of a coat whose original price is the 180? So 180, that's the original price. Sales price is the 50% below original. So we use the 1 minus 50%. That's the 50% below 0. 180 times 50%. Percentage, cancel the 2 0. That's the 18 times 5, that's the 90. On Saturdays, an additional 20% off the sales price. Sales price is $90, and another 20% off, we minus 1 minus 20%. That's the 90 times the 80%. Percentage, cancel 2 0. That's the 72. So the answer is B. Number 16. A bar graph shows the number of hamburgers sold by a fast food chain each season. However, the bar indicating the number sold during the winter is covered by a smudge. If exactly 25% of the chain's burgers are sold in the fall, how many million burgers are sold in the winter? The 25% of the burger sold in the fall, the burger is the 4 million. 4 million is the 25% of the all year's sales. So the all year is the 4 times 100 over 25. Cancel 25, that's the 4. So 16. That's the all year sale, the 16 millions minus spring, that's the 4.5, minus summer, 5 million, minus 4, that's the 4 million. The answer is the 2.5. So the winter sold the 2.5 million hamburgers. That's the answer A. Number 17. Let O be an odd whole number and let N be any whole number. Which of the following statements about the whole number O squared plus NO is always the true? So O squared, that's the always the odd, because odd times odd, that's the odd. Plus the NO. If the N is the even, that times odd, that give us the even. If the N is the odd, N times odd, always the odd. And odd plus odd, that's the even. Odd plus odd is the even. Odd plus even, that's the odd. That's all we need to know. At answer A, it is always odd. If the n is the odd, that means the odd plus odd is even. So the A not correct. Choice B, it is always the even. Odd, O square is the odd. Odd plus odd, that's the even. But if n is even, NO will be the even. Even plus odd definitely give us the odd, not always the even. B is wrong. C, it is the even only if n is the even. So n is the even, then the NO is the even. Even plus the O square odd, always the odd, not even. So C is the wrong. And D, it is the odd only if n is the odd. N is the odd, NO, that's the odd number. O square is the odd, so odd plus odd, that's the even, not odd, so D is the wrong. E, it is the odd only if n is the even. N is the even, NO, that's the even. Even plus the O square, that's the odd. Even plus odd, that's the odd. So therefore, the answer is the E. Number 18, a rectangular grazing area is to be fenced off on 3 sides using part of a 100-meter rock wall as the 4th side. Fence posts are to be placed every 12 meters along the fence, including the 2 posts where the fence meets the rock wall. What is the fewest number of the posts need to fence an area 36 meter by 60 meter? Try to use the length post, so the length use the 60 and the width use the 36. This will use the length post. Every 12 meters put the post, so that's the 36 divided by 12 equal to the 3. That means on the side has the 3 fence. So with the 2 more posts, divided the 36 to the 3 12 meter fence. For the length 60, 60 divided by 12 equals the 5. So along the 60 need the fence. 5 fence need the 4 more posts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give us the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 piece of the fence, each the 12 feet. So the total post is the top has the 6. That means the length is the 6. The side here is the 6. Each side has the 3. So that's total 12 posts. Therefore, the answer is B. Number 19. At the beginning of a trip, the mileage odometer read 56,200 miles. The driver filled the gas tank with 6 gallons of gasoline. During the trip, the driver filled the tank Again, with the 12 gallons of the gasoline, when the odometer read 56,560. At the end of the trip, the driver filled the tank again with the 20 gallons of the gas. The odometer read 57,060 miles. To the nearest tenth, what was the car's average miles per gallon? So they ask miles per gallon. So we use the total, the miles, the distance divided the total, the used gallon. The mileage is at the end of the trip, that's the 57,060 miles. At the beginning of the trip, that's the 56,200. So difference, that's the trip. And the gallons at the beginning, he filled the 12, the 6 not counted. So that's the 6 is for the fill up at the beginning, but the 12 is during the trip, the filled, and at the end, filled the another 20 gallons. Distance is the 860 T2. So 860 divided by 32 equal to 26.9. The answer is D. Number 20. The value of the expression 304 to power 5 over 29.7 times 399 to power 4 is closest to 304 to power 5 over 29.7 times 399 to power 4. That's rounded to 300 to power 4, and 30 times, that's the 399, we round to the 400 to power 4. 300 to power 5 equal to 3 to power 5 times 100 to power 5. Exponent law, AB to power m equal to A to power m times B to power m. 30, that's the 3 times 10, and the 400 to power 4 equals 4 to power 4 times 100 to power 4. Now we cancel the 100 to power 4. This minus 5 minus 4 leave us the 100. Now that's the 100. And the 3 and the 3 to power 5 cancel the 3. Now numerator is the 3 to power 4 times the 100 over 10 times 4 to power 4. Cancel the 10 and the 100, give another 10. 3 to power 4, that's the 81. 4 to power 4, that's the 256. Still times numerator, another 10. And now equal to, so the 81, we round to the 8 times 10. 250, we round to the 240. So cancel 80. So 240 cancel 80, that's the 3. That's equal to the 10 over 3. That's the 3.3 repeating. So the answer is close to the D3. Number 21. Suppose one of the 8-lettered identical square is included with the 4 squares in the T-shape figure outlined. How many of resulting figures can be folded into a topless cubical box? Now I labeled the square 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we want folded to topless the cubical box, we just need the one more side. So use this 4 figure. If I use the number 1 at the base, so that's the number 1 is the base. Right side can only be the 2. And the back, that's the 4. Front, that's the 3. For the right side, we can lift along this line. So along the BDF, that means that this side will be the D. But we can fold it to 4. When the 4 fold up, we then fold the B back. So that means that we can use the B. The same thing, we can use the F. So if we use the 1 as the base, the left side can use the BDF, can fold the 3, the topless the box. If I use the 2 as the base, that's the 2. We along the A4, 1, 3 folded left side definitely can only be 1. And the back must be the 4 and the front is the 3. For the right side, we can fold it E, fold up. So can be the E. Or when the 4 to the front, fold to front, we can fold the A back. So A can be the right side. Same thing, H can also be the right side. So the base 2 will produce another 3 topless the box. So that's the total, the 6, the topless the box. So the answer is E. Number 22. Alan, Beth, Carlos, and Diana were discussing their possible grades in mathematics class this grade period. Alan said, if I get A, then the Beth will get an A. Beth said, if I got an A, then Carlos will get an A. Carlos said, if I got an A, then Diana will get an A. All of these statements were true, but only 2 of the students received the A, which 2 received A's. So the Alan said, if Alan got the A, and then the Beth will get the A too. So if Beth get the A, Beth said the Carlos will get the A. And the Carlos said if he get the A and the Diana will get the A. So A cannot be Alan cannot be get the A. If Alan get A and the Beth, Carlos, Diana all will be A, so that's not true. Only the two got the A. So Alan not get the A. Beth cannot be A too. Because if Beth got the A, Carlos Diana will also get the A. That's the true. So the only only Carlos and Diana get the A. The Carlos said if he get the A, and the Diana will get the A. So C and D, Carlos and Diana both get the A. So the answer is the C. Number 23. The large circle has diameter AC. The two small circles have their centers on AC and just touch at O. The center of the large circle. If each small circle has radius 1, what is the value of the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of the one of the smaller circle? So the shaded area, they ask the area of the shaded over the small circle area of the small circle. Small circle area, the radius is the 1, so the area is the pi r square. That's the pi times 1 square. That's the pi. And the shaded area equals the large circle. So we use the large circle area minus the 2/2 white circle. And the 2/2 white circle is the 1 full smaller circle. So minus area of the 1 smaller circle. The large circle is the half of the large circle, the top, the part. So the area of the half circle, that's the pi r square over 2. So the half circle, the large circle, the half is the pi r square over 2. The large circle, the radius is the same as the small circle diameter. So small circle radius is the 1, diameter, that's the 2. So that's the 2 times pi r square minus the smaller circle area, just the pi r square, that's the times 1, over the smaller circle, that's the pi. They equal 2. So the 2 square, that's the 4. 4 over 2, that's the 2 pi minus pi over pi equals the pi over pi. That's the 1. So the ratio of the area of the shaded region to the area of the 1 small circle is the 1. Therefore, that's the answer B. Number 24. The 600 students at King Middle School are divided into 3 groups of equal size for lunch. Each group has lunch at a different time. A computer randomly assigns each student to one of the three lunch groups. The probability that three friends, Al, Bob, and Carol, will be assigned to the same lunch group is approximately. So we first has the three students. That's into the three group. So for L, they can be any the group of the three. It doesn't matter. So he can be the one of the three the groups. For the Bob, if he want to the group with the L, that means the total, the all student we already arranged. L already arranged, so need another the 199 student because one group has the 200 students and the total number of students not assigned is the 599. A is already into the group. Now the last Carol want to be the same group. This group still need the 198 student and the total is the 598. So the probability is the 199 over the 500 times 198 over the 598. So we rounded to the hundreds. That gave us 200 over 600 times another 200 over 600. All rounded to the hundreds digit. So cancel 2 0. Cancel 2, that's the 1 over 3. Cancel 2 0. Cancel 2, that's the 3. So 1/3 times 1/3 is the 1 over 9. So the answer is B. Number 25. Which of the following sets of whole numbers has the largest average? For the A, multiple of the 2 between the 1 and the 101. So between the 101, multiple of the 2, that's the all even number. 2, 4, 6, pattern continue to the 100. We know this is the arithmetic sequence. Arithmetic sequence average equal to the first number plus the last number divided by 2. So for the A, first number is the 2. Last number is the 100 divided by 2. That's the 51. And the B, multiple of the 3. That means the 3, 6, 9 continue to the 99. So average equal to first the number 3 plus the last number 199 divided by 2. That's the 51. The C, multiple of the 4 between 1 and 101. That's the 4, 8, 12, 100. So the average, that's the 4 plus 100 divided by 2. That's the 104 divided by 2, 52. And for the D, multiple of the 5, that's the 5, 10, 15. Continue on 100. Average equal to the 5 plus 100 divided by 2. That's the 105. That's 52.5. E, the multiple of the 6, that's the 6, 12, 18. Continue to the 96. Average equal to the 6 plus 96 divided by 2. That's the 102 divided by 2. Still 51. So A, B, C, D, the largest average is the multiple of the 5 between 1 and 101. So the answer is D.